The MPI CBC Med program was coming to an end of its first generation of programming period, the 2007-2013 period. Over the 7 years, 95 projects have been funded and over 187 million euros have been distributed all across the Mediterranean to support initiatives which vary from environmental sustainability to business development, social inclusion, and cultural and tourism and sustainable tourism development. The MPI program is currently, as I said, coming to an end, so we are coming to a phase of capitalization of the results on the territory to foster and enhance the impacts obtained so far and to grow and develop new opportunities and future opportunities for the actors of the territory. So far, we have to say that the results are quite important and relevant since our projects have been able to produce significant impact on the Mediterranean, on all the fields that I have mentioned before. So I think that the use of the European fundings in this sense has been really proficuous. And Project SussexNet in particular has obtained very significant results, not just in the field of business development and environmental sustainability, but in a transversal, in a variety of fields in a transversal way, obtaining results which vary from data analysis to potential impact on policy and decision making to support the textile sector all over the Mediterranean. We are currently finalizing the new joint operational program for the second generation of cooperation, of cross-border cooperation in the Euro-Mediterranean area. The program is at present under evaluation at the European Commission in Brussels, and we expect its adoption by the end of the year, most likely, so by the end of 2015. These in turn will imply some bureaucratic engagement at the beginning of 2016, which will supposedly bring it to a first call for projects in the second trimester of 2016. The strategic framework is let's say characterized by the presence of two overarching objectives, one dedicated to business development and social inclusion, and a second one dedicated to tackling common environmental challenges in the Mediterranean. Then these two overarching objectives are declined in 4 thematic objectives and in 11 priorities. I'm not going to list them all right now because we don't have enough time, but all those who are interested in participating in our next call, which hasn't been published yet, of course, as I said, can find some information on our website www.empcbcmed.eu.